gentle breeze blows, and the jay under the arbor are puffed and mocking out of pride. And the branches are shady, then one should choose a true love with no deception, who doesn't argue with her friend. The finest youth doesn't have long to live, because two quarrels have hit it, wickedness and lust, stuck between the heart and the liver. And they are difficult to take out, for it doesn't let cowardice and laziness heal it. And the jealous wonders and gapes and takes silly idling up, because whoever grates another's cunt sends his own to the market, and whoever wants to taste a foreign one makes his own a delicacy and puts it out to the public. Sure, I don't live a straight manner, as did the tribes of Israel. He only smells the smoke who does not approach, and then gives it back by blowing. And most do not want to tell the truth, so eager they are to lie by advice of the raffle. These cuckolds turn an ugly thing, womanizing into boasting. They keep a facade of courtesy. They take its hat, then put it back on. And since I dare not clarify this, nor fulfill my desires, may things go as they can, and God help me. Things go as they can, and God